Does AI Assist use information from previous conversations? Currently, AI Assist does not use information from previous conversations. This is to prevent the risk of inadvertently saving private or confidential details shared during chats to its data source, which could otherwise be used in responses to other customers. As AI technology and security improve, this feature may be considered in the future. However, it is not available at this time. As a workaround, you can review your chat history, identify recurring FAQs, and add them to your data source for consistent answers. Alternatively, you can copy a specific conversation and use the knowledge base feature to create and save a knowledge base article based on that interaction, and save it as a knowledge base article. This ensures AI Assist can provide accurate and helpful responses in future similar conversations. AI Assist operates solely on the data you provide and train it on. You can upload data, link it to content on your website or external websites, and even integrate it with an external database to enhance its functionality and accuracy, all without risking customer confidentiality. For more details on how AI Assist works, visit our AI Assist Academy or schedule a call with an AI Assist specialist.